Okay, this is a 1987 to 1991 K5 or Suburban rear power window relay upgrade with auto down. This is a complete harness. It's comprised of 3 sections. Here we have the section of harness that goes inside the tailgate with both relays for up and down, as well as a solid state module for auto down. Here's your underdash harness. This is your frame harness that's going to go along the bottom of the truck, the K5 or the Suburban. So what I'm going to do is demonstrate. I've already tested this to make sure everything works like it's supposed to. I'm going to demonstrate how this kit works. Make sure those grounds are tied in. Okay. So basically what we're going to do here is I have 2 leads that are basically an extension going to an older style window lift motor. Now this is the same style, a little bit different design, but the same style of self-grounding motor that would be in the rear tailgate section of your K5 or Suburban. So it is grounded just as it would be if it's bolted to your window regulator assembly. So what we're going to do is this switch here, I have a little jumper. This kit now, instead of carrying power through your switch all the way to the rear, these same leads are now going to carry power to trigger the relays. The relays have an 8-gauge power run going to them instead of the factory 12-gauge wires. So what we're going to do is, if your switch was in place of this jumper, what you're going to notice is there's 3 wires. Pink coming in, which is switched ignition hot. Your light blue, which is your power down, or I'm sorry, power up, and then your tan, which is power down. So you'll listen for that motor, and if I hit the jumper, same as hitting the switch for going up, see how the window goes up, right? You hear the clicking of the relays for power up. Okay, that's for power going up. Now for auto down, I'm going to touch the tan, and watch when I release it. It's going to keep running for a minute. Just like that. Now the motor disengaged, but let's try this again. Okay, here we go. Like that, until I stop it. Now what that does is, when you hit auto down, the rear gate will continue to travel down until it's seated, and then the solid state module will shut off, the relays will click off. Or you can hit the switch again to stop it at any point in its travel. So once again, this is auto down, and this is just power up. And the gear's not spinning just because it's just the gear set inside here. It's not mounted to a regulator assembly, so it pops up. So anyway, that gives you the idea. This is a complete replacement kit. It's everything you need that goes from the switch all the way to the rear of the tailgate motor. This here little jumper is a temporary piece. This is your override, your cutout key switch. This is just the switch that you normally connect this to is closed at all times. So that jumper is just serving that purpose. Other than that, everything's plug and play with what you see here. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me or send me a message, and I can answer any questions you might have about it. Thanks for watching.